There are moments when the law does not just interpret justice, it feels it. Today is one such moment. The Delhi High Court had said something every law student in this country has been waiting to hear. क्या कहा दिल्ली के उच्च न्यायालय ने? कहा गया कि नो स्टूडेंट कैन बी स्टॉप्ड फ्रॉम सिटिंग इन एग्जाम्स जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ attendance shortage. This judgment, delivered on 3rd of November 2025, comes from a story that began almost a decade ago. The story of Sushant Rohilla. शायद आपने नाम सुना होगा. A young, bright law student from MIT University. In 2016, Sushant was allegedly barred from appearing in his semester exams because he did not have the required attendance. That pain, that helplessness became too heavy for him to bear. He took his own life, leaving behind a note calling himself a failure. But the truth is, he was not a failure. Our system was. The Supreme Court took suo motu cognizance of this tragedy, and in 2017 में, the case reached the Delhi High Court. After years of hearing, the bench of Justices Pratibha M. Singh and Justice Amit Sharma finally delivered a verdict that gives new hope to every law student. The court said, education norms, especially in legal education, cannot be so stringent that they cause mental trauma or worse, take away a student's life. Just think about that line. A court reminding us that compassion must walk hand in hand with discipline. कई सारी बिंदुओं पर बात की गई है दिल्ली हाईकोर्ट के द्वारा और कहा गया है कि नो लॉ स्टूडेंट इन इंडिया शैल बी डिटेन्ड फ्रॉम टेकिंग एग्जाम्स और हेल्ड बैक फ्रॉम द नेक्स्ट सेमेस्टर बिकॉज ऑफ अटेंडेंस शॉर्टेज. उपस्थिति कम है इस आधार पर किसी को प्रमोट होने से रोका नहीं जाएगा. नो कॉलेज कैन इम्पोज अटेंडेंस रूल्स स्ट्रिक्टर देन व्हाट द बार काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया BCI prescribes. The BCI must consult students, parents and teacher to review attendance policies. College must share weekly attendance online, inform parents monthly and provide extra classes for those who fall short. Because education is not about punishing absence, it's about encouraging learning. This judgment is not just about attendance. It is about the silent struggles, the sleepless nights, the anxiety, the fear of being left behind. It's about saying your mental health matters more than your attendance sheet. And today the court has spoken for thousands who never could. So to every law student watching this, you are not defined by attendance. You are defined by your passion to learn, your courage to question, and your will to rise. I am Dr. Indradaman Tiwari and this is not just legal news. This is justice with a human heart. तो यदि आप इसे महसूस करते हैं और समझते हैं कि this judgment was needed, so please share this video because maybe your share could save someone's hope. Thank you.